You know, you guys are on a bit of a journey with this movie. It must be great when you have to talk to people like me all day that you get on so well.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference
Massive,
to us, doesn't it?
yeah.
Yeah, it does. It makes it absolutely makes it fun.
Fun, yeah.
Fun.
Yeah.
Because it can be quite weird, you know, if you're doing it on your own. We started our
Yes.
press tour in America in Los Angeles, and then Paulie had to go, and then had to do a little bit on my own. Just you're a bit.
Remember, I was so depressed leaving LA because we actually had, like, as you said, sometimes press can be difficult or mundane.
Not this,
but-
obviously.
not
I mean,
this.
it's all roads
This
have
is
been
not the
leading to
best
this.
press.
Really. Yeah.
But leaving out, like, we got to, because I hadn't seen him for ages, and we were also chomping at the bit to get out and promote the film.
Yeah.
After the strike.
So we had like a week in LA running around the place doing photo shoots, like getting dressed up in like nice clothes.
Yeah, it's great.
It was like it was
Amazing.
great. It was great crack.
I noticed he called you Paulie there.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, well, you clearly know each other well when you add an IE.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.